Here is how you can record a display ad extremely easily, extremely fast, and for free, following our blueprint and in high quality. So the best format, again, if you want to be demonstrating software, if you want to be demonstrating affiliate offers, even really whatever, is going to be screencast. People love screencasts. That's why what you're watching right now is screencast. It's the best way to explain something. It looks over the shoulder. And if you've got a quality microphone, or even sometimes the microphone from your computer, which I personally use for a long time and it went just fine, then the combination of both is actually really powerful. So a free software that I'm going to show you is Screencast-O-Matic. So this is a screen recorder software, and it's also completely free. So what you want to do is you want to click on Start Recording. You can run it two ways, right? It used to be web-based, so you didn't even have to download anything. But as it turns out, this sometimes led to bugs. So I am going to open the downloaded version of it, which is on my computer right now, Screencast-O-Matic. Double click and open that up. You can, yeah, as I've said, download it from this website. They have a premium option here. It's called Go Pro, right? It's Screencast-O-Matic Pro, and it's $15 a year. And what this does is it allows you to edit your videos, you know, record in higher quality, and they have a bunch of extras. They also have like a cloud, you know, cloud-based server, so you can send all of your videos there. You don't have to store them on your computer. But all of that, again, is optional. So once you boot it up, and this is what you're going to be getting. So I am going to pretend as if I were recording an ad here. Just give me a sec, because this is a bit annoying. I'm going to be recording here TubeSift. So whenever you have an ad you want to create, and a software, for example, you want to demonstrate, you can, for example, boot it up here from the dashboard. And what you want to do is you just want to drag this here, which this is, by the way, this is the canvas, all right, the size of your recording. So obviously this is very short. You can drag it to make it bigger, and on the bottom right side you'll see the dimensions. Okay. If you want to record full screen, you can click here on size and select full screen. This is for 80, 720, and then full screen is going to depend on your resolution. But it's good to know that it's not tethered, right? You don't necessarily have to record in a lower quality because it's a free version or whatever. They'll let you record according to your computer, so that's really sweet. Now, narration, you can select the microphone. I'm using mine, the blue snowball here, for Camtasia. So I'm not going to click it, or else it might just mess something up. I mean, who knows? And what you can do is you can also go with a full screen. Let's just go with full screen in this case. So now it's actually recording everything. So just click on the red button when you're ready to start, and whatever you do once the timer hits 1 is going to be recorded. Okay, so you've got a max recording time with the free version of 15 minutes. Now that doesn't mean that you can't simply record different parts and then add them together later on, you know, by merging the MP4s. Like, you can definitely do that. So now, once it starts to record, you need to be able to entertain your audience just a bit. Okay, just a bit. So tell them about why. Don't try to sell the software or the product straight away. You want to talk about what they want to learn, because they're here on your website because they want to learn something. What you want to do is talk about what they want to learn. If they landed on your video because they wanted to discover how to rank their website, and you're demonstrating a SEO product, you need to talk about that first. You need to tell them, hey, right, I'm going to show you how to rank your website first in Google 100% of the time, right? Something like that. Now, in this case, I'm demonstrating a software, called TubeSift, and TubeSift allows them to do research for YouTube ads, all right? Channel search, keyword ideas, and videos, right? So placements, etc. So again, go and demonstrate it. You're not going to sell it unless they know it works. So, you know, those people are marketers that you're targeting, and you'll tell them, hey, if you want to, you know, if you want to advertise and you want to find keywords related to dog training, because that's the universal example, just tell them, show them when you type in dog training, show them all of the keywords you get, show them how to export the keywords, show them how it works. And at the end of the video and somewhere inside the video, you should mention that the link is in your description. Tell them that they can get it for the lowest price ever possible in the description, just to ensure that they actually click the link to the description and don't Google the product, because then you're not making any commissions. If you want to build your list, tell them that you're offering a free guide on how to use the software if they click the link in the description. Really, the opportunities are endless, and this screen recording software, Screencast-O-Matic, really is wonderful, right? For what it does for free, it's absolutely insane. It really is. And once you're done with your recording, click on the pause button here, then click on done. And now you're going to see a preview, which might take some time to load. So the video is in high quality. It's high resolution. You even have a little cursor effect here showing where your click is, so that's always nice. And now you can either save it as a video file. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. This is some premium option right there. Or you can upload it straight to YouTube. So if you click on Save Video File, you can actually change that to AVI, FLV. MP4 is always good, okay? And then you can save it to your desktop, publish it. And then it's going to render. It goes really fast, and then once it's rendered, the file is going to be on your desktop or wherever you saved it and ready to publish. It really is as simple as that, but you need to take action and do it. Okay, so the rendering is over and the file is now ready to be watched by you, edited by you, really whatever you want to do with it at this point. And if you think it's good enough, you can just upload it straight away. I'm just going to show you the quality really quickly, though you should take my word for it that it's really, really good. If I put it full screen here, it is crisp. I mean, it's never going to be as crisp as the video you're watching right now, but it really is some high quality stuff here. So that's the best screen recorder if you want to avoid the headache of all of the other screen recorders that are either too expensive or frankly hard to use.